Do you want to understand real English conversations while shopping for clothes?
Or maybe you want to speak English more confidently in shopping malls and clothing stores.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about shopping, fashion, trying on clothes, and spending time at the mall.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
So, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about shopping, clothes, shoes, and fashion.
You'll hear simple English expressions people use while shopping.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Emily, are you ready to shop?
Always ready. Emily, do you enjoy shopping?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Yes, shopping can be tiring,
Really?
especially when stores are crowded.
That's true.
What about you?
I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Do you buy clothes often?
Not really.
Good answer. What color clothes do you usually wear?
Mostly black, white, and blue.
Simple and stylish. What about you?
I wear comfortable clothes.
That means hoodies and t-shirts.
Exactly. One time I bought shoes online.
How was it?
They were 2 sizes too big.
No way.
Seriously.
Did you still wear them?
Only once.
What about everyone listening? Do you enjoy shopping?
Tell us in the comments.
Do you try clothes before buying them?
Usually, yes.
Same.
Sometimes clothes look different when you wear them.
Exactly.
One time I tried on a jacket.
And?
It looked amazing on the mannequin.
But not on you?
Unfortunately, yes.
Oh no.
I looked like a detective from an old movie.
That sounds funny.
Very funny.
Do you enjoy shopping with friends?
Yes, because friends give honest opinions.
True.
What about you?
Shopping alone is faster.
That's true too.
One time, my friend spent 3 hours shopping.
Seriously?
Yes, 3 hours for one shirt.
No way.
I almost fell asleep. Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
Maybe both.
Online shopping feels easier sometimes.
Yes, but waiting for delivery feels long.
Exactly.
What about everyone listening? Online shopping or mall shopping?
Tell us in the comments.
Do you like buying shoes?
Absolutely.
Really?
Shoes are important.
How many pairs of shoes do you have?
Um,
Too many?
maybe.
One time I wore 2 different socks by accident.
Seriously?
Yes, I noticed outside.
That's amazing.
Very embarrassing.
One time I wore a shirt backwards.
No way.
Seriously.
Did anyone tell you?
Not for 2 hours. Fashion disaster.
Definitely.
Do you follow fashion trends?
Not really. I just wear what feels comfortable.
Same.
Comfort is important.
Exactly.
What about everyone listening? What's your favorite thing to buy?
Shoes, clothes, bags, watches?
Tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.